guys, Mr. Apple here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're trying this fidget spinner. So let's try this. I'm gonna try to balance it on Craig's eye. Craig, don't say anything. Why? That's why. Here, let me get it spinning. Craig, go do something. I have no talent with fidget spinners. Well, I can keep it on my thumb for a while. That was a bad start. Hold on. See? I'm keeping them on my thumb for a really long time. It's kind of hard. Slowing down like a lot. So Craig, try it. Craig's not gonna be able to do this. Yes, I am. Alright, you can't hold anything because you're too weak now. Ow, Craig, why would you throw that at me? Here, let me hold it for you and you spin it. He has it on his eye. Oh, it stopped. Craig, you had a little bit of talent. There you go, folks. Fidget spinner. Boring video. Hallelujah.